Solve x cube minus 3x equals to square root of x plus 2, where x belongs to real numbers. X cube minus 3x equals to square of x plus 2, where x is a real number. Then we know that square root of x plus 2 should give us a positive value or equals to 0. So we know that x plus 2 is greater than or equals to 0, or x greater than or equals to minus 2. So now we have to find out the values of x which is greater than or equals to minus 2. Now to solve this problem, we will use trigonometry and we will take x in terms of cos alpha. We know that cos alpha limits are minus 1 to 1. So we just multiply with 2. You will have minus 2 less than or equals to 2 cos alpha less than or equals to 2. Or we are searching for solutions in the boundary x between minus 2 and 2. By taking x equals to 2 cos alpha. Now let's go to the LHS and substitute x equals to 2 cos alpha. We'll have 8 cos cube alpha minus 6 cos alpha equals to square root of 2 plus 2 cos alpha. Now we know 1 plus cos alpha is 2 cos square alpha by 2. So we can write down LHS as 2 into 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha equals to root 2 out root of 1 plus cos alpha. 1 plus cos alpha is root 2. 1 plus cos alpha is 2 cos square alpha by 2. So we have a root over there. Simplify, we will get 2 cos 3 alpha equals to root 2 into cos alpha by 2. We have 2 and 2 on both the sides. So we have 2 cos 3 alpha equals to 2 cos alpha by 2. Cancelling 2, we have cos 3 alpha equals to cos alpha by 2. Now try to find out the general solution. We will have 3 alpha equals to alpha by 2 plus or minus, or 2n pi plus or minus alpha by 2. Now let's take values of n as 0 and 1. If we take n equals to 0, we have alpha equals to 0. If we take n equals to 1, we have 3 alpha equals to 2 pi plus or minus alpha by 2. We have two solutions of alpha, taking one time plus and one time minus. We get alpha equals to 4 pi by 5 or alpha equals to 4 pi by 7. So when x is between minus 2 and 2, the solutions we got are alpha equals to 0. And alpha equals to 4 pi by 5 and 4 pi by 7. Now let's substitute them in x and find out what are the values of x for this alpha values. X equals to 2 cos 0, which is equals to 2. One solution of this is x equals to 2. The other solutions are coming from alpha equals to 4 pi by 5 and alpha equals to 4 pi by 7. That will give us x equals to 2 into cos 4 pi by 5. Or x equals to 2 into cos 4 pi by 7. So we are able to, in between the interval minus 2 to 2, we have 3 solutions for x. Now what happens, can we have a solution for x greater than 2 for this particular equation? So let's look at LHS and RHS. We see that as the value of x is going on increasing, we see that x cube is greater than x and which is greater than square root of x plus 2. Now instead of looking at different values, shall we prove it generic that LHS is greater than x and x is greater than RHS? Let us see if we are able to do that, then we can rule it out saying that x greater than 2, there is no solution for this particular equation. Let's take first x cube minus 3x greater than x. Can we write it as x cube minus 4x greater than 0? Now let us check really x cube minus 4x is greater than 0. Let's take x common. On the left hand side we have x into x square minus 4. X is greater than 2, then obviously x square minus 4 will be greater than 0. So positive into positive, Certainly we have a positive value on the left hand side, so that's greater than 0. So we have proven that LHS is greater than x. Now let's go to the other condition, x greater than RHS. Square it on both sides, we'll have x square greater than x plus 2, or x square minus x minus 2 is greater than 0. Really, x square minus x minus 2 is greater than 0? Let us check that by factorizing LHS, x minus 2 into x plus 1 greater than 0. Put x equals to greater than 2, x minus 2 will be positive, and x is 2, x plus 1 is 3. So we have a positive value on the left hand side which is greater than 0. So we are able to prove successfully that LHS is greater than x and x is greater than RHS. If LHS is greater than RHS, then certainly you cannot have value of x, because to have x value we need to have LHS is equals to RHS. So the final solutions for this particular equation is x is 2 and x is 2 cos 4 by 5 and x equals to 2 cos 4 pi by 7. Now that's one interesting example which I found on the net, and I just thought I'll share that with you. Please do let me know your feedback. Thanks for your time and support. I'll catch you once again with another interesting example or problem. Till then, keep smiling and sharing. Take care. Bye.